much as you, Shane, and you, Jessica, can set it together today, in a fashion, both in the presence of God and this company, now by the authority vested in me as a minister in this great state of Tennessee, I pronounce you husband and wife. We kiss you rise.
How you doing, brother?
We're not afraid to be the first guys here, so.
Somebody has to start it, you know what? We are brave.
Oh, there we go. Well, actually, we meet ourselves in the hotel room.
Alright, what that did we get?
Oh, man.
I'm grateful to have you all as my family as well. Some of you I know very well, some of you I get to know, but hopefully we can start again, get to know each other all over again. You and I as grown men, and not angsty teenagers or another children. And just to thank you so much for standing by my brother and being there to support him, lighting fire with me today.
I just want to thank both of you for being such a wonderful part of my life and for showing me what a good relationship is. And you guys just love each other and I love both of you. I wish you nothing but happiness. And I can't wait for all the adventures. Love you.